Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing this right here. This is an LED therapy lamp, and this was sent to me for review, but my opinions are always unbiased, of course, and we are going to go ahead and unbox it and review it. Okay, so on the box here it says, "This delivers natural light to your home, office, dorm room, or apartment, enhances your own energy to make you more alert and productive. It is 2,000 to 12,000 lux bright full spectrum light, compact and portable." It says color temperature control. There is a timer on this for 15, 30, 45, and 60 minutes. It is touch brightness controlled. 2,000 to 100 and no, let me try that again. It is 2,000 to 12,000 lux proven strength, LED technology, and UV free. So that is what we're working with here. And I have used lamps like this before, and they do work. In fact, I have one by the side of our couch downstairs to use. We use it quite a bit, especially in the winter time. They really do help, so I do recommend using one. So let's go ahead and see what is in the box. Okay, so I pulled it out. You've got the pamphlet here, the cord, and it came in foam like that, so it was very well protected in shipping. Okay, so this is what it looks like out of the box. To me, it kind of looks like a makeup mirror, but it's not. This whole thing right here, the whole surface is a light. This is what the back looks like. Pulls out just like that, so you can move it any way you want, and nicely folds back there. This is a very nice weight. It's not too heavy, not too light, so I do feel like this is pretty durable. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Okay, so I have it plugged in. The plug is on the back, so it is nice and discreet, hidden away. And the power button is right here, very tiny. You see that? Click it. That's all you do for turning it on and off. Okay, so I am not going to make it too bright. See that? I have the sun coming in here. All right, so this button right here is supposed to control the light, so let's see. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to try to tilt it so you can not blind you. But yeah, if you look at the light, do you see the light? And I'm holding it there, you can see the light changing. And then it has this 15-minute, I'm going to turn it, let's see if I can, okay. Okay, I gotta turn it off so I can show you. So right here it has the timer, the brightness, and right here, is that the brightness? No, this is the color temperature. This is the timer, and this is the light intensity. So that is that. Okay, on here it says recommended program, 30 minutes to an hour a day. Researchers at the National Institute of Health demonstrate that white light in range of 2,500 to 12,000 lux, a measurement of light intensity, help to reverse the symptoms of winter blues. Exposure affects people differently. We all have different reactions to our environment. It is important to establish a distance and schedule that that's an unusual word for you to use there. A distance and schedule that is comfortable for you. Okay, so it's talking about distance from the lamp. That's what it is. That makes more sense. Okay. We recommend you use the light regularly and at about the same time each day. It is not necessary to sit in front of the lamp continuously. You can divide the time into several mini sessions. Continue to use the light therapy lamp daily to feel an improvement in your mood and activity level. When you are feeling sluggish and lethargic, spend more time with the light, sit closer to it, or increase light intensity. If you feel a sort of edginess or as though you have consumed too much coffee, I always consume too much coffee, so that's kind of irrelevant. It may be time to turn off the light or reduce the intensity of the light. Okay, and it does come with cleaning instructions. It says, your product is made from high quality materials that will last for many years with minimum care. You may want to periodically clean the lamp using mild, non-abrasive cleaner and soft cloth. When cleaning, always make sure you have turned off and unplugged the unit and allow sufficient time for the unit to cool. Okay, so that should be an obvious one, although somebody has probably done that at some point and that's why it's there. Anyways, that is pretty much it on how to use it. I really do like this. This is a really nice design. Again, I have used these before. They absolutely do work. So if you are one of those people that just kind of feels down and dumpy a lot in the wintertime, you might want to get one of these because they absolutely do help improve your mood. Might not happen right away, but continuous use absolutely does help. I will have a link to this light down below, so if you are interested, definitely check them out. Otherwise, that is it of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you would like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe and let me know your thoughts of this lamp down below. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video.